Before I start my video, tell me in the comment below on which topic I should make my next video. Either it should be the ordinary niacinamide or either it should be the inky list retinol serum. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to do a review of ordinary Ascorbyl Glucoside solution 12%, and you can see these are my photos before using this serum. So this is the outer packaging of the serum, and you can see it's Ascorbyl Glucoside solution 12%, a brightening serum with stabilized vitamin C derivatives. The quantity of the serum is 30 ml and 1 ounce. It's a good quantity. I have been using this serum since September and it's almost start of November and still 1/3 of my bottle is remaining. So it's a good quantity. So the first ingredient is Aqua water and the second is Ascorbyl Glucoside. We know the placement of ingredient does matter. If it's on the last, it means it is in the little quantity, but if it's present in the first or the second number, it means that the certain ingredient is available in the larger proportion. And we know that Ascorbyl Glucoside is present on the second list. It means it's present in the large quantity, which is a good thing. And the direction on the packages says you have to apply a few drops to your face. Either you can apply in AM or PM. If there is any irritation occurs, discontinue the product. And if you want to know the in-depth information, go to their website. I have also added the screen recording of their website, so you can also see. The good thing, it's fragrance. The problem it targets is dullness, uneven tone, and the signs of aging. The products come into the glass bottle, and it also has an eyedropper, which is a good thing. So you can, have a control on the product, how much product you are going to use. The bottle is tinted, which is to protect from sunlight and ultraviolet rays. It's also a good thing because vitamin C product should be in the tinted glass bottles. And you have to use 2 or 3 drops. Generally, I use it. If the texture is really watery form because it's silicone free, it's oil free. So you can see it's very light texture, which is a good thing because it does not keeps your skin looking like a heaviness we usually have. But the problem is with this product, if you apply directly with the dropper, it just becomes a little bit tacky. And if your skin is wet a little bit, you can see this sort of white form it makes, but after once it is absorbed, it's really good, but you will feel a little bit tacky if you touch your skin. So if you use the dropper in your palm of your hands and then rub your palms in between and then apply it, I noticed the difference. There is a difference in the afterward or the results. You can see there is a less tackiness if you apply in this way, or if you directly apply with the dropper, there is more tackiness. So I think maybe the most of the product they absorb in your palms. I think the difference is that, but you can see, maybe you cannot visibly see this tackiness which I'm talking about, but that is present in both of my hands. So what does Ascorbyl Glucoside does? When it absorbs into the skin, there is an enzyme which is called alpha glucosidase. It breaks Ascorbyl Glucoside into L-ascorbic acid, which is the pure form of vitamin C. This conversion makes it more stable in the light, oxygen, and the heat exposure. It also makes it less irritant because of this conversion process, whereas the pure form of L-ascorbic acid is highly unstabilized and it gets oxidized. And it can also easily irritate your skin if your skin is sensitive. And the benefit of Ascorbyl Glucoside is it promotes a brighter complexion, it boosts collagen, it fights with the free radical, it is basically antioxidants. The pH of this product is 6 to 7. The price of this product is 12.9 Canadian dollar for 30 ml. Nowadays there is a sale, so it's really a good package if it suits you. So if you really want to know the further information about this product, you can go to the ordinary website. Here I'm showing you the screen recording of my this product's website, and you can see 59% people, they had believed this product worked for them, and 41% believed it didn't work for them. And you can see they have very detailed information. They have also written what does Ascorbyl Glucoside is and what does it do, or which products you can use with this certain products, which products you should not use. Either you can use on AM or PM. So they have covered almost all the information, and in the end they have also described the other form of vitamin C products or the range of ordinary, which is a really good thing. For me, this product didn't work the way I really wanted it, but it doesn't mean it will not work for you. Like you can see in the reviews, some people, they believe it worked for them. I think in ordinary website the review are 7.7, I guess, around out of 10, which is a good review, but obviously not everything works for everyone. Maybe if I use something which has more vitamin C potency, that works well for my skin. The rating that I will give to this product is 3.3 basically out of 5, because I did find this product useful for me. You can see these are my final results. I cannot see much difference even though I took lots of pictures. Almost after 1 month using this product, I took these pictures. All I can see a little bit brightness on my complexion, but I didn't see any dramatic results. Maybe I was over expecting from this product. I really don't know. But if you see any difference, you can tell me what I feel except this brightness. I felt the redness on my face that was underneath. There was some redness. It has gone somewhat from my skin. Other than that, I didn't see any difference. I was using this product at night time. I was also using SPF with that product, so it's very much necessary when you apply any vitamin C product or any retinol product to use SPF. So if you like my videos, comment below, subscribe. Bye bye.